Yeah, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a easy step-by-step guide on how to send money from Revolut to Revolut. Make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because it actually helps me out. So let's get started with the easy step-by-step guide on how you can send money from Revolut to Revolut. So the first step is to open your or launch the Revolut app on your device, then log into your account using your account credentials, which is very important. Then from there, you have to go to the payment section. So to do this, you have to tap on the payment tab located at the bottom of the screen. Once that is done, then the next thing is to initiate a new transfer. So to do this, you have to tap the plus icon in the top right corner, then select Revolut Friends under Add New. From there, you have to find the recipient. So to do this, you have to search for the recipient by their rev tags, which is the REV tags, which is rev tags, which is Revolut. Then from there, you can also use their phone number also to search for a recipient. You can also use their phone number. You can also use their email. But most widely used for searching for recipient is the ref tags and phone number. Then once you find the recipient, you can enter the details, which is this to tap send, then enter the amount you wish to send, then choose a currency. From there, then tap the currency symbol next to the amount. Then from there, you have to double check all details for accuracy, then tap send again to complete the transfer. And that is how you can simply send money from Revolut to Revolut. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button, and subscribe for more.